Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone. My name is Syahadila Azahra Firgianti. My student ID number is 33210011. And I'm from 33 6A and 01 class, English Literature. And this video is created for Syntax Midterm Task Project. Okay, so first of all, there are two parts in this video. In this video, there are two parts. The first part, I want to show you and explain you about power of speech and diagram. First is definition of power of speech. Part of speech are categories that words are assigned to based on their function in a sentence. Part of speech are more typically called as word classes. It helps us to understand. It helps us to understand how words are works together in make meaning. Okay, next is eight part of speech in English. Generally, there are eight part of speech in English. First is noun, verb, pronouns, adverb, adjective, conjunction, and preposition. And last is interjection. But syntactic categories divided into two parts: lexical categories and non-lexical categories. Okay, we move to lexical categories. In lexical categories, we have noun. N stands for noun. Noun is a word that name people, places, things, or ideas. For example, cat, book, or happiness. Two is a verb. V stands for verb. Verb is a word that show action, states of being, or occurrence. For example, there are run, is, or happens. Three is adjective. ADG. ADG stands for adjective. Adjective is word that describes nouns or pronouns. For example, there are big, red, small, interesting, and another. Four is adverb. ADV. ADV stands for adverb. Adverb is words that modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverb. Very, quickly, recently, clearly are example of adverb. Last is preposition. Prep stands for preposition. Preposition is a word that show the relationship between a noun, pronoun, and another word in the sentence. In, on, at are example of preposition. We can move to non-lexical categories. In non-lexical categories, we have first is conjunction. Con stands for conjunction. Conjunction is a word that express emotion or surprise. For example, is in and, but, or. Next is determiner or that. Determiner is a word that is used to modify or introduce the noun in a sentence. For example, is that, the, or this. Three is auxiliary or aux. Auxiliary is a word that takes a supportive role in a sentence or second to the main verb. For example, it must, have, will, may, and another. And last is qualifier or qual. Qualifier is a word or phrase that are added to another word to modify its meaning. For example, perhaps, never, and always. So we can move to part 2. Actually, there are 5 sentences that I put into 3 diagrams. So the first one is, Aldi went to the cinema last week. Aldi is a noun. When is a verb. To the cinema is a prepositional phrase. To is a preposition. The is a determiner. In cinema is a noun. And last week is a noun phrase which is adjective for last. And week is a noun. Okay. The second one is the faster runner won a gold medal at the Olympic. The faster runner is noun phrase, which is the is a determiner, faster it is an adjective, and runner is a noun. Won a gold medal is a verb phrase. One is a verb. A gold medal is a noun phrase. A is an article. Gold is an adjective, and medal is a noun. And at the Olympic is a prepositional past. At is a preposition. The is determiner. Olympic is a noun. Next, the old and big tree swayed in the hurricane. The old and big tree is noun phrase. The is determiner. Old is an adjective. And is conjunction. Big is an adjective. And tree is a noun. Swayed is a verb. In the hurricane is a prepositional phrase. In is a preposition. The is the determiner. Hurricane is a noun phrase. Okay, next is the youngest sister put the doll in the purse. The youngest sister is a noun phrase, which is the is determiner. Youngest is an adjective, and sister is a noun. Put the doll is a verb phrase. Put is verb. The is determiner. Doll is a noun. And in the purse, in is a preposition. The is determiner, and purse is a noun. And last is the big girl saw Eliezer with a lovable panda recently. The big girl is a noun phrase, of course. The is determiner, big is an adjective, girl is a noun. And saw Eliezer. Saw is a verb phrase. Saw is a verb. And Eliezer is a noun phrase. Eliezer is a noun. And with a big panda recently is a prepositional phrase. With is a preposition. A is an article. Big is an adjective. Panda is a noun. And recently is an adverb. Okay. That's all for my presentation for syntax midterm test project. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.